Okay everyone, so out of the nowhere there's a lightning storm over here in Benidorm now. I'm heading towards the beach, see how it is over there. Probably still some people running away. Just started raining, a little bit of hail as well. But I hope it cools down a bit. Daytime temperature was 31 degrees. So that was lovely. But let's see at the beach how it is over there. Floor is already soaked over here. Still some people walking. Back there on the left we can see people hiding underneath the umbrellas. Oh wow. You can clearly see all these dark clouds are coming from behind the mountains on the right. Some people quickly bought some umbrellas to stay dry. And others don't seem to mind the rain that much. Still walking around. And back there someone is still on the jet ski. I wouldn't be doing that with lightning in the area. But let's continue and see how the bars are like Tiki Beach and so on. They're a bit further back there. Probably a 5-minute walk. I'm curious, are there still people out, or are they all trying to get some shelter in? Over there at Artigas, loads of people taking shelter for the rain. Over here people are leaving the beach, having their umbrella to stay dry. Lifeguard is done as well, I can see, and they had the red flag out today. Wonder why. There isn't that much wind out. Maybe a strong current. People have taken shelter on the bar. They're on the left over there all. Right now the rain nearly has stopped already. It was a very quick shower over here. But I'm nearly at Tiki Beach, I'm gonna check that one out. And guys as well, please don't forget to give a like to the video, greatly helps promoting it. And do subscribe if you aren't yet to the Benidorm channel. Thank you. On the left, still some people at the beach. The sky looks quite clear over here. I think this was already it. But I'm nearly there, so let's check out that bar. How it's going. And because the rain has stopped already, people don't seem to matter anymore where they are right now. Party continues as always over here. Just helps them to stay a bit more cool right now. Next door got Cayman. Okay, so I'm heading now towards the strip, checking out over there how it is, how it's going. There we are, Avenida Filipinas, and I'm sorry for the shaky camera. and everything. I just got my phone with me, just started, didn't have any time to grab my gear and everything, my high quality camera, so I'm just using my phone for this. So I can show you guys how it is going over here. Yeah, it looks like this was it. Just a small quick shower, streets are still wet. Bridge station over here. But let's head towards the right. Got some big bars back there. And now the air temperature has dropped a bit already, but you can still feel the heat really coming off the streets. Did have to rain a little bit longer to make sure they were cooled down as well. Probably will get quite humid this evening. Insomnia. Crown Pub. Hotel California. We're at the Wild Duck, everyone's nice and covered for the rain. They have prepared well. Plenty of people having dinner. And that is as well why I think most people weren't impacted by this. British tourists, which are mostly in this area, they prefer to eat on time instead of the Spanish ones. Spanish tourists prefer to eat late, think about 9 or even 10 o'clock. So they were probably still at the beach when they were surprised with that rainstorm today. Tiki Bar. On the right, in the open, hardly anyone, but on the left area, it's quite full. €2 for a pint. And the final bar on the strip, Morgan Tavern. Now we have the Jet 2 holiday tour bus dropping off tourists. They just missed the rain, so happy for them. The holiday can start, and it doesn't look like we have any rain the upcoming week over here in Benidorm. Looks like clear skies, beautiful weather out, and temperatures of 31 degrees for the upcoming week over here. And that's beautiful, of course. Well everyone, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't yet. Have a great evening all. Bye bye.